10 silent cancers in dogs. Every owner should know. What if your dog had cancer and you didn't know it? Many cancers in dogs don't cause obvious symptoms until they've already spread. By the time owners notice something is wrong, the disease may already be advanced. But there are subtle warning signs that can appear much earlier. Today, we'll cover 10 of the most common silent cancers in dogs, the early symptoms to watch for, which breeds are most at risk, and when it's time to call your veterinarian. Let's get started. Number 10. Mast cell tumors. One of the most common skin cancers in dogs is the mast cell tumor. The tricky part? It can look like almost anything. A small bump, a wart, an insect bite, or even a harmless lump. Some grow quickly, while others seem unchanged for months. Early warning signs: a lump that changes size, redness or swelling around the lump, itching or licking the area, occasional bleeding. Breeds most at risk: boxers, Boston Terriers, Labrador Retrievers, Golden Retrievers, Pugs. Treatment often involves surgery, and when caught early, many dogs do very well. Number 9. Osteosarcoma, bone cancer. This aggressive cancer usually affects the legs of large and giant breeds.